Most real estate professionals run their business completely alone. There's no manager checking in, no coach reviewing your numbers, no one asking whether you followed up with that potential client that you've been meaning to call. You figure it all out on your own, and whatever doesn't get done just quietly never happens. Coach Traicee changes all that. Coach Traicee is your AI business advisor, built directly into your Traicee Premium platform. It doesn't give generic advice. It knows your business, your contacts, your transactions, and your goals. And it uses all of that context to give you guidance that's actually relevant to where you are right now. Here's how it works. When you activate Coach Traicee, it starts by learning about your practice. It walks you through a coaching interview, your business goals, your target volume, your market, and what sets you apart from the competition. This isn't a one-time questionnaire that gets forgotten. It becomes the foundation that Coach Traicee draws from every time she advises you. From there, Coach Traicee builds you a strategic plan, not a generic template, a plan based on your specific goals, your current contact health across your sphere, and what Traicee can see about the state of your business right now. It's the kind of strategic thinking most real estate professionals never have access to because they don't want to spend thousands on a business coach or don't have time to think past next week's closing. Every morning on your dashboard, Coach Traicee gives you today's focus. These are suggestions about who needs to be contacted and what relationships are slipping. What should you be working on? It's accountability built into your dashboard. When you're looking at a specific contact, you can ask Coach directly. Open any contact and find the Ask Coach button. You'll get advice tailored to that specific relationship. Coach Traicee can see the contact's health score, their journal history, their campaign activity, and every interaction you've logged, and he uses all of it to give you insight about what to do next. Coach Traicee will adapt to your coaching style. You have 4 personalities to choose from: the mentor, the cheerleader, the analyst, or the straight shooter. You can change them at any time to find your perfect match. If you're serious about building a strong business, not just processing files, but growing a real practice, Coach Traicee can help you achieve those goals.